I want you to make sure you don't try this at home. Leave this up to the professionals.
I can't remember.
Don't record this.
Don't record this.
So it's gonna be a while till Texas Justice is done, so we're working on the little black truck. We call it the little truck, but that's it out there in the pasture. We're working on that one, and we're gonna have to replace the pinion shafts. We're gonna have to replace all the bearings and all the racers because we took them all out. So anyways, we took it all back out of the old axles that are right there. Zach's gonna put it in because I don't actually physically do shit. I'm only just spraying this just for the camera. You see this? This is what I don't do. There's a lot of trust involved right here. I want you to make sure you don't try this at home. Leave this up to the professionals.
Remember, we just had to pull it off there.
Get your life together, dude. So we're putting the pinion gear back on the pinion shaft now.
Always make sure it goes on the way you took it off.
And none of that was there. Here, I'll spray that off. I got you. I gotta do everything around here, dude.
Hey, dude.
I have to do everything. From start to finish.
Yeah, the other one's still back there. So you got nothing.
What?
Most of the ratio on the side. You see the rack? I think the big side's still there.
Go.
Did we get a pinion shield? I can't remember.
Don't record this.
Don't record this. You're ready.
So the seal's damaged. It's melted inside. So we're gonna try to get it out of here.
You want to do it over there on the steps?
All right.
I don't care. Wherever.
I'll trust you with my hand there. So the seal's out, as you can tell, is bad. I did all that damage myself. This is what it should look like compared to our old one. Let's go take a look at our old one. So you can see inside here where it rolled, where this metal lip rolled, too much to put back on. So we'll clean this one up. Good help is hard to find nowadays, guys. I just want y'all to remember that.
Oh, wait, I gotta go.
This one's rolled a little bit, but it's still in better shape than the other one.
Probably from being ran without.
So we're heading back to the back pasture to go jump the truck off, put in the pinion shaft. It's really hot out. So we just put the pinion shaft back in with the racers, the new seals, the new bearings.
Covers. Pinion covers?
The pinion covers. Look at that. So we're gonna tighten those down. These ones go on like this. Cover goes over. Drive shaft goes back on. You never want to ruin pants, especially Wranglers, right? Girls like them. So wear gloves. That way you ain't got to wipe stuff on your pants. Preferably orange gloves. Tell you why. That way other people can see your hands and they don't hit them with hammers. We're not making any contact with this one right here. We've got the pinion shaft, the pinion gears, the bearings, the seals, castle nuts on, tight. Now we'll come up front.
Just gotta put the drivetrain back on.
Next thing to install will be the drivetrain. We can jump her off and get her running. So like I was telling Zach, that space that was between there, it was gonna come out as soon as we tightened everything down. So like, I was right, of course, like always, and the space had closed between the pinion shaft and the drive shaft.
Here's Zach.
We got it done, mission complete. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna jump in this death trap and we're gonna go drive around in it. We gotta jump the battery. Here we are. So we got it going. The only issue is that we can't turn the wheel. So we're gonna bleed these hydraulic steering lines, see if that changes anything. If we're good after that, we're gonna run it through some mud. Maybe not. We might not get in the pond today. All right, so we got it running now. Hydraulic lines are bled. And it's turning pretty sharp. She's running great, she sounds great. It's not the best truck in the world, needs a couple, minor repairs, but they can get on it. All right, y'all, we got the little black truck running. Sounds great. But we're gonna call it a night. We're done here. We're gonna go drink some tequila now.